Welcome back to Sally Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories, and namhlanje sizakhuluma ngestory sikaMapitsi guys. Bengitshela ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi sobe sesingcwabile le storyline sikaMapitsi, but bose ngazi ukuthi the writers decided ukuthi carry on yabo, because uMapitsi guys izolo utshele the whole family yakhe, watshela ifamily yakwa Tibosi, watshela ukuthi yena kahle hle uyamthanda ke uDJ Thomas, njengoba deshilo guys ukuthi yena akanamela thaba atshele bathu bohle gore yena urata DJ Thomas ngendlela amthanda ngakhona guys. He kanti uphethe DJ Thomas asazi ke guys. So namhlanje ke hayi ke sefike bahlanganeke, yonke into ikhuluma nje akazi babona no DJ Thomas after the incident. Mayifika emsebenzini namhlanje uyambona uDJ Thomas. DJ Thomas is very angry. Ucasikele yena kuMapitsi, uyamtshela ukuthi wena ngila ngikhona because of you. Impilo yami nje iyimess ngenxa yakho. Indoda yakhe yafikela emsebenzini yazongisabisa ngikhomba ngesibhamu. Mapitsi was like, "Hayibo, indoda manje inase spam." Anti inase spam efika zongikhomba. So bahamba baye emotweni boqedela kahle indaba. Mabefika emotweni Mapitsi was like, "Yazini baby, no, it's our time now. We can be yazini, can be what we want to be, because now it's me and you." Yeah, angisasabi umuntu. I told my family, I told my in-laws ukuthi mina ngithanda wena. Hey Musadi, ngithanda wena mina and ngifuna ukuba nawe. We can now be free. Hey bana. DJ Thomas is like, wena wapenga wahlanya. Uyahlanya wena. Leyo nto ngeke ziyenzeke man. Ngeke ziyenzeke leyo nto le guys. So now ngathi uzazogoka kabusha manje Mapitsi, sazogoka kabusha manje. Yabona iqale begowisa ukuthi like everyone knows the situation. Like manje sazogoyisa ukuthi le ndoda le athi yena uyayithanda ayimfuni. Bekumnandi becheater, bekumnandi bentshontshana, but manje mase kuthiwa ke official asithandani ayisamfuni uMapitsi le ndoda, ayisamfuni kwakhona. So guys, it's gonna be very difficult for her. So abanye babuza ukuthi ke what advice will give uMapitsi, ungathi akaqhubeka chase uDJ Thomas, akahamba olungisa umshado wakhe no Tibosi, noma akabe single ayicabanga, kahlale phansi ayicabanga, because at this stage it's very difficult for her, because guys ubaba wakhe uthe akamfuni kamashashane, umalume wakhe wathi yey nama ngikufunda phemzini nami ufike uzothatha into zakho. So uzoyapi guys uMapitsi? Hayi usazogowa shemi la sazogowa khona ngampela. Enye into guys umsebenzi obuzophela bazoxoxa bowu2 emsebenzini. Uyaphupha, she's daydreaming uMapitsi guys. Uthi uDJ Thomas even if basixoxa la ngathi singathola enye radio station zosithatha so2 as a couple. DJ Thomas like, couple wena wahlanya phila kwenzakalani ngawe? Yo guys, usazogowa shem, usazogowa uMapitsi. Angiyazi mina leya situation yakhe angiyazi, but nje ngicabanga ukuthi ke hayi manje ke kusazoshuba ngampela, because next week masithi June baqala baveza ukuthi ke usazozama ukulwela umshado wakhe. But uTibosi uyophinda amthembe kanjani, amthande kanjani, ebekhulume kanjani wathi nje akamfuni yena, ufuna uDJ Thomas. DJ Thomas akafuni uMapitsi, ufuna umuntu amfunayo. Bekumnandi bedlala. That brings us to the end of this video guys. To leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi what advice ma advice wonke ongayinika uMapitsi at this stage. Bye.